my best friend. Didn't care about the
Buenos dias, besties. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Today we're gonna get a lot done, so let's get to it. Today, besties, we are going to spend some time really cleaning the patio and making it look nice and organized so we can just enjoy being out here. The other day, it rained so hard that my plants were almost destroyed, besties, but I managed to save some of them. Whenever I went outside to look at my plants to see how they were doing, oh my goodness, they were filled with water. I had to take some water out of my plants, and that just made me cry inside because I was taking care of my plants so much. I did not want anything to happen to them. I was watering them every day, allowing them to get sunshine inside of them as well. So it was kind of like heartbreaking to see my plants like that. I also discovered something very interesting, besties. When the plants and the potatoes die, it means that they are ready to be harvested. Can you believe that? I did not know that. So I just went ahead, dug them out, cooked them out for myself because I just wanted to eat them to see how they tasted. And besties, they taste so good. Very, very delicious. They taste a little different from the store though. That's kind of odd. That just got me thinking a little bit after I ate my potatoes. I am super happy that we decided to clean the patio. It is so nice to come outside and just relax with the kiddos, and they're playing and I'm just watching them, me looking at my plants and like trying to like take care of my plants as well. It's very nice to just come outside and relax in the evening time. Now this is the next day. I did this video in a span of 4 days, I believe. I really hope this gives you some motivation to tackle your to-do list as well. I know we all moms have a ton of things to do in a day, so if you are cleaning today and if you did not finish what you have on your to-do list, bestie, it's okay. Just one thing at a time. You can finish it tomorrow. Just take it easy on yourself.
You told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind.
We're gonna have some chicken sandwiches, an easy dinner.
from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should.
Fine, I'm gonna have the chicken and some Taco Bell sauce on top. This one right here. Now the taste testing. The baby is napping. Now it's time to clean this house and do a little home reset before I go to sleep. So we're gonna do some dishes, the dishwasher, just a little home reset.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
One tip that I do have, besties, if you're not feeling motivated to clean, try setting a timer up for 10 minutes. Tell yourself you're only going to clean until that timer goes off. Sometimes just getting started is just the hardest part, you know? And once you do, you might find it easier to keep going, and once that timer goes off, usually I just keep on going and I can't stop. Even a little cleaning can make a big difference and help you feel 10 times better, bestie. I promise you it will make you feel so good.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first.
Besties, it looks like chocolate milk. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for all of your support, all of your comments, your likes. Thank you all so much. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, besties.